Most of them I brought over because I need, they get so big that I can't keep them anymore. So this is a great spot for them. You have a schefflera, and I know that isn't the way to say it, but I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is a poor rubber plant. This is an interesting one, orchid cactus, and this is really an interesting plant. It'll bloom maybe once or twice in the summer. You know what a water lily looks like. It gets this beautiful white flower. What it's trying to do is attract a pollinator, and it smells heavenly. But it only starts to bloom about 11 or 12 o'clock at night, and then by morning it's dead. But it's worth staying up for and watching it bloom. It's just incredible. Just very unusual. This is a jade. This is a burrow-tail cactus, and it's blooming a little bit there. This is a snake plant here. Can't take much care. This is a yucca. And as you can see, this was getting way too big for my house, so it's perfect here.
The artist behind the creation.